Let's take a closer look at the TMC Labs Activity Guide. You get to the Activity Guide from the TMC Labs Lessons and Activities webpage. You might hear the Activity Guide referred to as our curriculum or the Live Binder. Live Binder is the website or app that hosts the Activity Guide. It's like an online 3-ring binder where you can collect documents. Live Binder requires a password, which is 16. The password is 16 because when we first built the TMC labs, we built 16 labs in the first year. I share that story because it might help you remember the password. But the password is listed on the webpage, so you can always come back here if you forget it. So we'll log in with that password of 16. When the Live Binder opens, it takes you straight to the table of contents. The meat of the activity guide are our activities. There are over 60 activities in the activity guide on the topics of art, design, electronics, and engineering. To access an activity, click on the title. The actual activity will open up as a PDF. All the activities are open source or used under a Creative Commons license. That means anyone can use them for free. You can print them or distribute them any way you want. Just don't claim that you wrote them. I like to show folks that you can click on this link at the top of the page and it'll open the PDF in its own tab. That makes it a lot easier to look at if you're using the Live Binder on a phone. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have some vital information about the activity, including a summary, the time the activity takes, the ages or grades it's appropriate for, the cost per individual and the cost for a class of 30 kids, materials and where they're located in the TMC lab, and finally, the science standards. There's also a table of contents on the left-hand side of the screen, so you can navigate to other activities from here. TMC on-the-go kits are additional activities that we added after we established the original activity guide. Creating kits is the primary way that we expand on the curriculum. Each kit contains 3 to 6 activities, and they have their own materials lists. We will be adding our space kit to the activity guide soon, and we hope to have a new math games kit done by the end of summer 2026. There are some other useful resources in the Live Binder, such as videos that go with some of the activities. This document, called Idaho Content Standards in Science, is really useful in a couple of ways. It lists the elementary and middle school science standards and identifies which TMC activities are aligned with each standard. This can be really useful to classroom teachers who are looking to integrate some hands-on STEM activities into their curriculum. It provides teachers and informal educators with activities on different science topics. And it can help you understand which activities are developmentally appropriate for different ages. Each activity also contains a document that lists all the Idaho State science standards. If you're looking at these standards and thinking that they look out of date, well, they are. It's summer 2026 right now, and we will be working on updating this information this summer. We periodically update the items in the activity guide, so it might look different the next time you open it. The things that will remain the same are the core activities. We will add activities as they become available.